AI can now directly communicate with your backend on behalf of its users for getting things done. MCP is not a complex system or a new thing to develop for you. Basically, it's just a simple wrapper around your existing APIs, which contains your documentation for APIs as well. It acts like a single point of contact for other AI services to communicate with your system. It is as simple like that. So we had enough talk now, and let's build our system from scratch. So let's start with setting up our database. So my preferred database is Postgres, and I use Neon service to set up my database. So I just log into my account, create new database, select my region, and just create it. So your database is created now. You have to just copy this connection string. Okay, and save it as a secure location. Okay. Okay, let's set up Directus now. So Directus is an open source headless CMS which can run on top of your new or existing database and provide services like MCP, REST API, and WebSocket. The interesting part about Directus is it can run independently within your database without touching your existing tables or fields schema. So let's set up Directus now. So let me open my terminal. I will create this in my study project. Okay, so let me create the environment file first. I will just mention DB client as PG and DB connection as the URL we just copied from the new one. Okay, so let me install Directus on it. Okay, so setup is done. Let me start the Directus. And Directus is running at localhost 8055. So if I open this locally, it start me to set up. I will place admin at admin.com. Always keep secure password in production environment. This is just a testing. So I'm keeping a simple password now. So Direct is basically free up to 5 million in annual revenue. After that, you have to get into licensing. This is pretty standard with a lot of open source libraries now, like Elasticsearch and Redis and everyone. I'm launched it. Yes. So this is our pretty much blank setup right now. There is nothing into the system. So all you have to do is go to setting. Now we will enable MCP first. So now in settings, in AI, we can also specify the AI models into it as well. But now we are only interested in MCP. Just enable the MCP. Just one tick and your MCP service is enabled. You can also allow deletes and additional settings here as well. Okay. So let me save it. So MCP is enabled now. The next thing, we need to get the access token. That process we can automate as well. But now I will create the static access token for my admin user to be accessible by MCP. So I come into users, and here I will just create the token. So this is my access token. So that's it. Our director setup is ready. Now let me add some sample data. Okay. Yes. So now let's proceed with connecting this to Claude and 11 Labs. Okay, now let's connect the Claude. Before running Claude, we need to make this service available over the internet. So we will be using ngrok for this. So this is our URL. In settings, developer settings, let me edit the config. Okay, so if you go to Directus documentation, you will get this code over here. Okay, just copy this code and put it over here. So the Directus URL we need to place that we get from N0. So this is our Directus URL. We need access token. That's it. Now we have to restart the Claude. So we can go here and see, we can see Directus over here. So list my appointments. Use Directus MCP. See, Claude is directly connected to our system. And it is now showing the appointments. So basically, right now, as we are using it for local development, we have to connect it manually. But once you publish your connectors, it will be available in connector marketplace. So you have to make your service available to this connector so that Claude can access it directly. Thank you. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know if you have any queries or any comments or feedback. I can help you with as much as possible. Thank you.